Hello, everybody. Welcome to a smart grasp, explore, and win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic.
Chapter 6 Triangle and its Properties Exercise 6.2 First sum Find x. They have given 6 subdivisions under that in which they have given some unknown quantity called x and we are supposed to find the value of x. So let's start with the first subdivision. In this triangle we have the unknown quantity x which lies exterior to the given triangle and in the interior we have 70° and 50°. According to the exterior angle property, angle x is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. That is, when you just step in from angle x, you just step inside the triangle and you're supposed to look into the two opposite angles which lies inside the triangle, which is 70° and 50°. If you just sum those two opposite angles inside the triangle, then we will have the value of angle x. Therefore, this is equal to 70° plus 50°. The reason is exterior angle theorem. The two interior angles should be opposite to the exterior angle. It should not be the same side of or just near to the exterior angle. It should be far away. That is, it should be opposite to the exterior angle. Therefore, x is equal to 120°. This same rules applies for all the subdivision. Just the exterior angle is sum of two opposite interior angle. Here in the second subdivision, the angle x lies outside the triangle. So when you just step in, you have two opposite interior angle. So when you sum those two opposite interior angle, 65 plus 45, you will get 110°. Therefore, the reason is exterior angle theorem. Now moving on to the third subdivision, we have a triangle here. The unknown quantity x is at the exterior part. So the two opposite interior angles are 30 and 40. When you add it, you will have 70°. Therefore, x is equal to 70°. The reason is exterior angle theorem. Now fourth subdivision, here we have x. When you step in, the two opposite interior angles 60 and 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 plus 60, which is 120. The reason is exterior angle theorem. Now moving on to the fifth subdivision, we have the exterior angle x outside the triangle. When you step in, the two opposite interior angles are 50 and 50. So when you sum it up, you will have 100. Therefore, x is equal to 100°. The reason is same, exterior angle theorem. Now the last subdivision, the unknown quantity x is at the outside of the triangle. When you step in, two opposite angles are 30 and 60. When you just add those two, you will have 90°. Therefore, x is equal to 90° because exterior angle is sum of two opposite interior angle. Hence, the reason is exterior angle property. Now let's move on to the next sum. Now second sum, find x. We are supposed to find the value of x. In the previous sum, we just had the unknown quantity x always outside the triangle. That is, it always been as an exterior angle. However, here we have the unknown quantity x inside of the triangle. That is interior angle of a triangle. So now, using the same theorem, we will find the value of x. Looking into the first subdivision, the exterior angle here is 115°. Therefore, 115° equal to x plus 50°. This is why, because this exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. When you just step in, the two opposite interior angles are x plus 50. Hence, the reason is exterior angle theorem. This plus 50, when it is transposed, we will get minus 50. Therefore, x is equal to 115 minus 50. gives us 65 degree. Therefore, the value of x is 65 degree. The same procedure is to be followed for all the sums. In short, if at all it is being asked in 1 marks to find the one of the opposite interior angle, just subtract the exterior angle and the other opposite interior angle. Now, moving on to the second subdivision, the exterior angle here is 100 degree. The two opposite interior angle is 70 degree and x. So 70 plus x gives us 100 degree. When you do transpose, 100 minus 70 gives us 30. Therefore, x is equal to 30 degree. If at all it is been asked in 1 mark, we can just straight away subtract and write the answer. Or if they have asked it in 2 or 3 marks, you are supposed to write the steps. Moving on to the third subdivision. Here they have given a box or a square which represents 90 degree. The exterior angle here is 125 degree. So the two opposite interior angles are x and 90 degree. Therefore, 125 degree is equal to, that is the exterior angle is equal to x plus 90 degree, because x plus 90 degree is the two opposite interior angle. When 90 degree is transposed, 125 minus 90. Therefore, x is equal to 125 minus 90, which gives 35 degree. Fourth subdivision. Here the exterior angle is 120 degree and the two opposite interior angle is 60 and x. Therefore, 120 equal to 60 plus x. Plus 60 is transposed. Therefore, x is equal to 120 minus 60 is 60 degree. We are supposed to write the reason as exterior angle theorem for all these sums as well. So, we are supposed to write the reasons in brackets like we have did it in the first subdivision. Now moving on to the fifth one, the exterior angle here is 80 degree, which is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. The two opposite interior angles are 30 and x. Therefore, 80 equal to 30 plus x. When this 30 is transposed, x is equal to 80 minus 30, which is equal to 50 degree. Here also we have used the same theorem. Moving on to the last subdivision, the exterior angle here is 75 degree, which is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angle. The two opposite interior angles are 35 and x. Therefore, 75 degree is equal to 35 plus x, because they are the two opposite interior angles of the triangle. Hence, the reason is exterior angle theorem. Now, when this 35 is being transposed, 75 minus 35, therefore, x is equal to 75 minus 35, which is 40 degree. We are supposed to write the reason in braces like EAT, exterior angle theorem, in each and every subdivision, like we did it for the first subdivision. So with this, we have completed this exercise.
Thank you all for watching Smart. Grasp, explore, and win. Stay tuned for more videos.